Fast approval might feel good now, but the wrong merchant account can shut you down right when your sales start scaling. Here's a quick way to see the difference. On the left are aggregated accounts. That is Stripe, PayPal, and Square. And on the right are dedicated accounts. For aggregated, it's fast approval but high risk of freezes and shutdowns. And for dedicated, it takes a little longer upfront but is stable and tailored underwriting. This exercise makes it clear. Aggregated accounts get you live quickly, but they are not designed for businesses processing volume or running models that look high risk. Dedicated accounts, on the other hand, give you real stability. That's exactly where EasyPay Direct specializes. They place you with dedicated high risk merchant accounts built for your business, so you're not left scrambling later. On top of that, you get transaction routing to keep payments flowing across multiple accounts and 250 plus integrations to plug into the tools you are already using. It's built for long term growth, not just a quick fix. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. They will even help you decide which account type fits best before you apply. If you're ready to skip the guesswork and get the right account type from day one, just use the link in the description. EasyPay Direct makes it simple to start processing with confidence.